Ooh. Wow. So what's up guys, this is Mio and welcome back to yet another video. So right now in front of me I have this Ducati Multistrada V4S. So let me show you. This is the bike which is the Ducati Multistrada 1200S. The perfect adventure touring bike. 1200cc. As you can see, this is an wow man, it's an Italian machine. Look how beautiful it's.
I think
From the
that's
side
sexy.
angle. The twin exhaust in the side, beautifully shaped like an MV Agusta. Wow. So starting with the front, this is how the Multistrada looks from the front. Like this is the dual color, red and white. The DRL lights, Ducati logo at the front. Wow, and this is a big windshield, man. It's one of a hell windshield. And this is the air intake. As you can see, this is the air filter and this is the air intake. Wow. So coming back to the tire, it has got a Brembo brakes, of course, and beautifully designed the Ducati Corsa written on the wheel. And it has got Bridgestone tires. Coming back to the engine, Ducati, it has got frame sliders as well, the rolling cage, the twin exhaust, and this is a single side swing arm. So I was telling about the tires, it has got Centauro ST tires. Wow. So this is where it is written. Multistrada 1200S. Monster, man. 9694. Look how massive it looks from the back. Look at the engine size. Whoa. Wow. I believe the seats are comfortable. Like I can see the cushion. Monster written over here, the tank. And this is the display of the Ducati. All the electronic modes. And the engine start stop button. And that's me. Wow. Ducati written on panel. Wow. So I have googled the information about this Ducati Multistrada. So it says this is an Ducati Multistrada 1200S and the weight of this bike is somewhere around 240 to 250 kgs, and the price of this Ducati Multistrada is somewhere around 25 to 30 lakhs. Correct me if I am wrong because I don't believe in Google, so I have to check it with the Ducati Infiniti showroom. And this is a perfect adventure touring bike, and I'm very obsessed about this bike because the color of this Ducati is very eye candy, because Ducatis are known as the Ferraris of the bikes. And look how tall and huge and massive it looks from the front. Wow.
Nice.
So I was lucky enough to spot this bike at Ballard Estate, and this is an V4 engine, so it might not sound like as good as the inline 4 engine, but still the rawness and the thumb of this bike is like, it feels like you are riding a monster, not a bike. And this is the tail of the bike and the indicators, and As you can see the yellow suspension of the bike, and ignore the background noise. I like the shape and the size of this Ducati. Wow. So beautifully set and adjust all the electronic functions. Wow. And the horsepower of this bike is around 195, 140 or 145. See again, correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not aware of the exact power of this bike, but still yes. So this is the indicators, like it has got an side indicators left and right. Wow. Bark busters, this brake pad, brake levers and clutch protectors. Wow. So I'm lucky enough to spot this Ducati Multistrada. So this is in memory. This is for the memory purpose. And I'm liking this Multistrada, but I would get an Triumph Tiger 900, the second gen, not this new gen, over this, because the inline 3 sound of the Tiger is much soothing compared to this monster. And yes, this is it. So now let me give you the cinematic shots of this bike and also the cold start. I know you must be you wanted to hear the cold start, so let's see the cinematic shots. So in 3, 2, 1.
God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but DC where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happens in there. Damn man, I'm on that, yeah, I'm on that. Looking for that bitch, yeah, that what you call that. I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall.
So I have come to Horniman Circle Asiatic Library. So this is how the shooting is going on right now. Shooting bole to this wedding, pre-wedding shoot. Oh damn.